नमस्कार, सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा यहाँहरू सबैजनालाई स्वागत छ। सिक्किम मणिपाल मेडिकल कलेजको फेक एडमिसन मामिलालाई लिएर सिक्किम पुलिसको क्राइम डिभिजनले एकजना 41 वर्षीय मालबजार पश्चिम बङ्गाल निवासी सुमन्त्र गुप्तालाई पक्राउ गरेको छ। गुप्ता विरुद्ध मानिसहरूलाई ठगेर एडमिसनको लालच देखाएर धेरै पैसाहरू बटुलेको आरोप लागेको छ र यहाँलाई जानकारी दिन चाहन्छु कि आज पुलिस हेडक्वार्टरमा प्रेस कन्फरेन्सलाई सम्बोधन गर्दै सिआइडी ब्रान्चका एसपी मिस्टर तेन्जिङ लोडेन लेप्चाले यो जानकारी दिनुभएको छ कि गुप्ता विरुद्ध भारतका अन्य राज्यहरूमा पनि मामिला दर्ता गरिएको छ र उहाँबाट 31वटा मोबाइल फोनको सिम अनि एउटा गाडी र म्याक बुक लगायत अन्य सामग्रीहरू पनि कन्फिस्केट गरेको जानकारी एसपीले दिनुभएको छ। हेर्नुहोस् यो प्रेस कन्फरेन्स।
गुड आफ्टरनुन एभ्रिवान। सो हामीले यो जुन चाहिँ प्रेस कन्फरेन्स आज बोलाएको त्यो चाहिँ वी ह्याड अ कपल अफ केसेस हुन्छ नि। यो चाहिँ मणिपाल कलेजको फेक एडमिसन केसको 2015 देखि चल्दै आएको। सो सिक्किममा हाम्रो सदर थानामा 3टा केस छ। अन्तखेरि 2019 लास्ट इयर चाहिँ केस नम्बर 4 मणिपालमा त्यही फेक एडमिसनको चाहिँ हाम्रो सिआइडीमा रेजिस्टर भएको थियो। त्यसमा चाहिँ दि आइओ अफ द केस वाज एएसपी रेन्जिङ छोपेल राई। एन्ड देन टिल नाउ प्रिभियस 3 केसेसमा despite the efforts of the investigating officer of the previous cases, we could not arrest the kingpin who was responsible for this particular racket. So finally, our team led by ASP Renzing Chopel along with PI Abhishek Dahal and 2 more of the team members, हामी चाहिँ Friday location of them confirmed भइसकेर चाहिँ Saturday they left from Gangtok to Siliguri. Saturday यिनीहरू पुगेर दिनभरि बेलुकासम्म चाहिँ सर्वेलेन्स गरेर with the help of Siliguri police as well as SP STF North Bengal, we were able to effect arrest of the accused on Sunday afternoon. So Sunday afternoon arrest गर्ने बित्तिकै we were able to seize 3 mobile phones, an Apple MacBook Pro, a brand new vehicle along with 31 plus SIM cards of various service providers and a lot of dongles, internet dongles, you know. So this is the brief of the whole operation that was conducted. Now we had to be very careful because your manche is very well connected. So every time any of the team from Sikkim police used to go to Siliguri, somehow ule thapai haltyo. So this time it was it was a very secretive kind of move that we made. We did not tell anyone. And immediately a small team was dispatched from here, and then the team was very effectively, the team very effectively could effect arrest of this particular accused. The accused ko naam chai ho Sumantra Gupta, son of Shaibal Gupta and resident of Malbazar. And right now it's just been about 24 hours since we have effected arrest, and we have got police custody for the next 5 days. And now the next 5 days would be very essential for us to understand what exactly he did, how he operated. As far as someone jati pani हामीले interrogation गरेको छ त्यसमा चाहिँ we can find more than 40 victims, and the amount of money that he has fleeced from these 40 victims could be in the tune of 3+ crore rupees. Okay? And presently when we apprehended him also, he was still operating not for Manipal but for some other college. The details of those things, IO of the case, हाम्रो Renzing Chopel Rai, he would be providing. हाम्रोसँग टेबलमा हाम्रो पुलिस डिपार्टमेन्टको पिआरओ म्याडम पनि हुनुहुन्छ, हिशे म्याडम. शी इज द पब्लिक रिलेसनशिप अफिसर अफ सिक्किम पुलिस, and she also is in this press conference as a part of the Sikkim police team. So now if you have any questions, I would request you to question it, and the IO of the case, Mr. Renzing Chopel, will answer all your queries.
So what are the sections, under which section he has been put?
419, 420, 468, 471 and 66C and D of IT Act 2000.
So in plain words, it is cheating, impersonation, forgery, as well as criminal conspiracy 120B pani छ हो. plus IT Act ma 66 CND using IT mechanisms to dupe people of the money. So that's
So he's alone or उहाँको ग्रुप पनि छ?
एक्चुअली यो मोडस अपरान्डीमा चाहिँ के छ भने तपाईँको युजली उसको एसोसिएट्सहरू हुन्छ जुन चाहिँ हामीले भन्छ वी कल देम टेक्निकली मनी म्युल्स हुन्छ. सो उनीहरूको डिफ्रेन्ट एकाउन्ट्स हुन्छ, ब्याङ्क एकाउन्ट्सहरू उनीहरूको नाममा खोलेको हुन्छ, अरूको नाममा खोलेको. दे अलरेडी हेभ अ सेटअप wherein they say that I'm transferring this amount of money, so this percentage will go as a commission to you. So त्यो पारा चाहिँ उनीहरूले अपरेट गर्छ इन अ कोअर्डिनेटेड वे. सो यसमा चाहिँ के प्रब्लम हुन्छ भने हामीलाई त्यो पैसा जस्तो मोमेन्ट हुन्छ, द्याट इज अनदर पार्ट अफ इन्भेस्टिगेसन, बट प्राइमरली आइडेन्टिफिकेसन अफ द accused and his accomplices. So there are a lot of people who are connected with the crime. That is the reason initially when we have this kind of crime, हामीले 120B many law also, that is criminal conspiracy, because we believe and there are a lot of other people also involved together.
So basically he was like doing this for the seats of Manipal, right? So Manipalको केसमा मात्रै चाहिँ कतिजना victim छ and how many of them have lodged officially complaint with the Sikkim police?
So that's what अघि भनेको जस्तै across 3 or 4 cases we have 40 plus victims, named victims in those.
Only with Manipal?
Yes, only with
Sikkim
Manipal. In Sikkim, the only college he has dealt with is Manipal. And coincidentally, he also happens to be a student of Manipal who studied in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences. 2001 मा उहाँले एडमिसन यहाँ लिएको थियो. 2001 देखि 5 सम्म he was here. Last semester exam चाहिँ नदिकन गएको यहाँबाट. So he was a student of Manipal. He knew the systems in Manipal. He knew the people inside Manipal. 2005 when he left Sikkim, when he could not complete his graduation, BPT गर्दै थियो. So he left from here, and then 2008-9 देखि चाहिँ he started fiddling into this area of crime. So that's how his progress has been. And before you ask specific questions, modus operandi चाहिँ यसमा impersonation. Why? Because he was impersonating himself as the dean of Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences. Previously, आफूलाई Dean Juneja भनेर he used to contact other senior doctors and then offer them jobs. At the same time, he would also want to inform them that due to a seat being lying vacant, हाम्रोमा चाहिँ एउटा सिट छ, यो चाहिँ हामीहरूले एडमिसनमा चाहिँ त्यो मान्छेले सिट पाएको थियो उसले चाहिँ नलिने भयो. So one seat is empty. For that seat we have got the approval from the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, Government of India भनेर सर्टिफिकेट पनि बनाएर, and then that is how you used to dupe money from prospective clients. So that is how, but the issue is in all of these 40 cases the money was always deposited through an online transaction. It was hardly any time cash was exchanged. So despite a lot of awareness programs by Manipal themselves, when they clearly say that we do not have any middlemen handling our admission process, still people used to believe him because he impersonated himself as Dr. Juneja and subsequently Dr. Mehta. So he was able to do this for so long because the amount of money involved was huge, and yes, I am sure he has paid a lot of people to ensure his safety. Specific, yeah.
हाई एमाउन्ट लेकर लो एमाउन्ट कति जस्तो लिएको थियो?
पैसा चाहिँ कति लिन्छ?
तपाईँको एज फार एज आई नो एउटा केसमा के भएको थियो भने यहाँ हामीले आफ्नै इन्भेस्टिगेसनको दौरान चाहिँ वन्स द केस वाज रेजिस्टर्ड, हाम्रो आफ्नो इन्टेलिजेन्स एन्ड पोर्ट सोर्सेसहरूबाट चाहिँ वी फाउन्ड आउट द्याट वान पर्सन वाज देयर इन होटेल समवेयर इन तादोङ. त्यहाँ उनको फ्यामिलीसँगै जाँदाखेरि हामी त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ इन्टरसेप्ट गर्दाखेरि ऊ आएको छैन, बट दे वर इन द प्रोसेस अफ गेटिङ ड्युप. सो रफली अराउन्ड म्याक्सिमम अमाउन्ट हियर ड्युप इज अराउन्ड 19 lakhs. And the minimum is around 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs.
And that is for the medical, not for the engineering seats.
It's
No,
only
this is
for
only for medical.
Only for medical.
Only for
Yeah.
He himself,
MBS.
he
Yes.
himself was a student of SMIMS. 2001 मा एडमिसन लिएको थियो उसले.
जति पनि भिक्टिमहरू छ प्रायः जसो कुन क्षेत्रबाट रहेछ? सिक्किमको कि सिक्किमको बाहिरबाट?
This is actually pan India. तपाईँको हेर्नुभएमा हामीले इन्भेस्टिगेसन गर्दा हरियाणाको छ, महाराष्ट्रको छ, ओडिसाको छ, तपाईँको आसामको छ, युपीको छ, बिहारको छ,
सबै गर्नु
almost all the places all over India.
So you used to ask money to transfer online. So once all the money is like transferred, then what was his next move? I mean, technically what you were.
Then obviously there is a process. उसको एउटा cheating process चाहिँ what happens is once the entire amount is transferred and he knows that the other person अर्को मान्छेलाई चाहिँ याद भयो अब उसले cheat गरेको भन्दै थियो उसले now he is in the process of returning the money back. He will tell the person that I'll return your money back भनेर. So in that process उसलाई ह्याङमा राखेर त्यतिकै then he gradually goes undercover. He flees or he goes undercover. त्यो पारा then subsequently the FIR is launched and police comes into action.
Apart from that, जुन चाहिँ हामीले हिजो सिज गरेका छ, we have seized over 31 SIM cards. So if one were to think logically, and eventually we have spoken with him also, the modus operandi is obviously when the money is transferred, for him the crime has been committed, for him the benefit has been already made, right? Subsequently, he would ask them to deposit further money as तपाईको let's say February 2 तारिक चाहिँ hostelको पनि allotment हुँदैछ भनेर. Allotment charges are 15,000 rupees वगैरह भनेर, right? So people eventually they would land up in Sikkim, believing that they have a genuine, admission into SMIMS along with the documents that he has communicated to them. So when they land over here, subsequently they get to know that they have been duped. That is how, in admissions to season मा चाहिँ complaint हाम्रोमा आउँदाखेरि एउटा complaint मा there are 10 complainants, the second one is 14, the third one is again 10 complainants. So it's admission season मा नै हुन्छ. So when people land up over here, let's say if there are 14 of them who landed over there who have been duped, they go to college and then subsequently they realize that they have been duped. Now they have not met the person, they have only communicated to a person who impersonated himself as Dr. Juneja, the Dean of SMIMS, or Dr. Mehta, the Dean of SMIMS. So yes, the whole process of transaction of money happened through RTGS or through Paytm or through some kind of online banking mechanism. So once the money is with him and the people who have been duped are in Sikkim, then obviously he would change all his contacts.
Right.
Or if someone who is able to find his contacts, he would try to ensure that he tries to make an agreement with him. Is bar admission nahi hua, will try to return your money. That is only a small percentage of if the person who took admission and then got his contact details, because he also runs a nursing home in he also has a nursing home in Mal Bazar. It's called Relief Nursing Home. It's a 30-bedded, I think, right? 30-bedded nursing home. So he is a very, very well-crafted con man, so to speak.
सरले जुन चाहिँ भन्नु हुँदैछ उसको चाहिँ sequence he has already prepared from the first start of the con को process start गर्नु, then how will, and he is already prepared each of the sequences.
And apart from Sikkim मा मात्र 4टा केस भयो हैन. Across India, if not less than 10 cases would be against him, because the victims are in every corner of this country, right? So for instance, if someone would come over here, they did not personally come to complain to the police over here. Why? Because they came over here, they realized they've been duped and they went back to their own states. आफ्नो स्टेटमा गएर उनीहरूले complaint दिएको छ. यहाँनिर चाहिँ हाम्रो complaint चाहिँ came in a consolidated form, wherein let's say the dean of SMIMS at that point of time, Dr. Mehta or Dr. Juneja, they themselves came to the police station, to police headquarters, to submit a complaint which consists of all these people who have been duped by this particular person.
यो जति पनि भिक्टिमहरु छन् यहाँ कहीँ कतै उनीहरु पनि सजिलोसँग पैसा दिएर एडमिसनको चक्करमा परेर यसरी यो भिक्टिम भएको त हैन, किनभने अफिसियल वेबसाइटमा त डिनको नाम अलगै होला नि. यो दुईटा डिन रिसर्च हुँदाखेरि त अलिकति है त्यति त रिसर्च गर्नुपर्ने थियो जस्तो लाग्छ नि तपाईलाई.
Yes, absolutely correct हुन्छ नि. Whenever there is a crime which happens हुन्छ नि, especially with regard to cyber crime, there is always this tendency of the people who are victims to do things because either they are, it's greed or benefit. Now greed in business sense because they'll earn more money. In this particular case, it is benefit. They're saying that despite not being able to get admission into certain kind of colleges, Manipal, which is highly ranked amongst NEET candidates, if you are paying 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs as capitation fee or management fee, then you will be getting this particular seat. But obviously, they are taking it. So yes, there is to some extent, I won't call it, simplicity, but yes, the people, the victims in this cases also, deposited money, gave money to gain out of a process which is not completely legal. Because we all know that the admission process is very, very stringent. Need garनुपर्cha, counseling huncha, depending upon your rank, you get those colleges. Whereas if you are not able to make into the merit, so obviously the victims also get to benefit. And agar family ma doctors are, in most of the cases, the contact person would be a doctor, because Sumantra Gupta would impersonate himself as the dean of this college. So the person on the other side is also a doctor, and he would ask references, and he would know, okay, Dr. Juneja, I know him. So through that process, again, when you produce a document which says that, okay, one seat is lying vacant, and we have been given permission by the Ministry of Home and Health and Social Welfare. And for this, Hamro Ayole, from the beginning itself, we have been communicating to all of them. Registered email ID जुन चाहिँ छ सुमन्त्र गुप्ताको नाममा छ, जुन चाहिँ डकुमेन्ट हेल्थ एन्ड सोशल वेलफेयरबाट भनेको थियो गभर्मेन्ट अफ इन्डियालाई हामीले पठाएको थियो. गभर्मेन्ट अफ इन्डिया अल्सो रिटर्न ब्याक टु अस MHA saying कि we do not issue such kind of documents, and they have also given direction to Commissioner of Police Delhi to conduct inquiry on that, and they also have told us कि तपाईहरुको जति इन्भेस्टिगेसनमा जे जे तपाईले थाहा पाउँछ, काइन्डली इन्टिमेट अस वाट एभर इज ह्यापनिङ भनेर.
त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँको इन्भेस्टिगेसन त अब इन्टरोगेसन आजदेखि स्टार्ट हुँदैछ. सो फर द्याट आई थिङ्क वी क्यान कम अप विथ मोर कन्क्रिट रिजल्ट्स इन द फ्युचर है तपाईँलाई आन्सर. अन द अदर एन्ड भने जुन चाहिँ रिटर्नको बादमा चाहिँ त्यही भनेको उसको मोडस अपरेन्डी चाहिँ एउटा मान्छेलाई जब वेन यु हेभ गिभन सम अमाउन्ट टु सम वान यु एन्ड सम वान इज गिभिङ यु ओके 50,000 ब्याक, देन देयर इज अ होप द्याट ही मे गिभ यु ब्याक भनेर अगेन. सो त्योबाट चाहिँ उसले ह्याङ गरिराखिदिन्छ कि तपाईँलाई.
To your question, I think so. In this investigation, there are lots and lots of bank account numbers which have been used, and the IO is already in the process of sending letters to all these banks to freeze the amount.
Some have already.
Yeah, some of them have already freezed the amount, right? So let's say if there are 10 bank accounts, from each bank account also we are able to freeze 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 10 lakh rupees. So maybe we might be able to freeze 60, 70, 80 lakhs. So let's say at the end of it, after the case, how exactly to dispose of that particular proceeds of the crime towards victim compensation, that is more to do with the court. Courtले हामीलाई कस्तो पाले order दिन्छ त्यही हुन्छ. Because
age
41.
Yeah.
Sumantra
Sumantra Gupta. Yeah, so there are different kind of cases. Siligurima wildlife smuggling ko pani case छ हैन.
same person.
Yes, Karshongma I believe there is a case of के भन्छ child trafficking को case छ भन्दै छ. So he seems to be someone, obviously when we speak with him, he claims to be the victim, but we all know all con men are like that.
Great. Congratulations on the breakthrough.
Sumantra, SUMAN TRA, Rinzing, RIN
ASP Rinzing Chopel Rai, additional SP Rinzing Chopel Rai. Right.
ASP?
Additional SP. He is the IO of the case.
And we have
IO Abhishek Dahal. He is the technical lead in the team. जति पनि हुन्छ. हाम्रो म्याडम
सरी
Yeah.
हजुर
यसै छोडेन
then we have हाम्रो
टिमको
टिमको सञ्जय पनि छ. सञ्जय
Lance Naik, Sanjay Subba, and then we also have a driver who went along with the team.
So you have a very compact and a very less team.
very less team because the only thing was
So that the information does
exactly
not
exactly.
Limited number of
Yes.
people use.
तपाईँले लास्ट क्वेसन चाहिँ तपाईँले भन्नुभएको थियो जस्ट योभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ जब पनि अगाडि जाने उसले खबर पाइहाल्ने त्यो कताबाट पाउँथ्यो होला त्यसको
See,
के जाँच हुँदैछ.
when जब सिक्किमको गाडी जान्छ नि, because when we go, we would obviously go in a Sikkim number vehicle only. So all the people in Mal Bazaar, he is known to he's known to everyone connected over there. When ASP Rinzing last went over there, they had a car chase as well. दे आर अ कार चेज एन्ड देन हुन्छ नि अभियसली त्यहाँनिर अब कहाँ कुन बेला पसिहाल्यो होइन सो इट वाज अ टफ थिङ एभ्री टाइम वेन यु गो
Catch me if you can.
and he is someone who is very very cunning every time you send a 41A को with you to be involved in the investigation.
खालि यो फेक उयो मात्रै नभए अरू पनि थियो त्यही कारण उसको सोच
Yeah, that is where now the investigation will take us into.
Presently he is also involved because while checking his communications he is also seems to be involved in what do you call fake admission into medical college in Katihar, right?
Yeah.
So he's still very very active. The amount of transaction of money that happens we can already see over there. So he is a con man who is not 2015 देखि लिएर अहिलेसम्म and still सिक्किममा चाहिँ यसपालि भएको थिएन because of corona I think so because NEET भर्खर exam भएको थियो I am sure he would have been preparing to do few more people हुन्छ नि coming admission season because NEET was conducted I think just a month and a half back. Yeah,
This is the right.
now is the admission season. So right time we were able to catch him. Now I'm sure we would have at least, if not more, 5 to 10 more cases this year as well. So we have taken police custody. Let's hope we get good leads in the investigation. We will get good leads.
5 days को रिमान्ड
Initially, I'll 5 days को लिएको छ हामीले.
Thank you, Gaurav.